This is the quickest way to change the line spacing in Google Docs. So basically, line spacing is the spacing between one line over another. So it could be the spacing between this line and this line. So by default, the spacing in Google Docs is around 1.15 points, but you could increase or decrease it as you like. And if you want to get a specific number of spacing, then you might want to click on custom spacing. So just go ahead on this menu that says line and paragraph spacing, and then click custom spacing. So I want to get the number to be 1.7 and click apply. Now this paragraph has turned the spacing into 1.7, and if you're not happy, then you can just select on the paragraph again. Then let's change the number to something else. For example, you could change it to double, or you could change it to 1.5. So it's totally up to you, and this setting is unique to every document, so it won't be applied to other document, just this document. So yeah, that's basically how you can change the line spacing in Google Docs.